Hey there, Brian here from Be Mad Photo. Join me on a sun-soaked walk through the hot tropical jungle to a cool hidden river's embrace. If you love tales of family, nature, and reconnection, along with photography, hit like and let's embark into a hidden river gem. From Bahi's vibrant streets, we get a bird's eye view, a dense jungle whispering stories, and a vast ocean that binds this fishing and farming community to its natural roots. The sights along the way are the stories of everyday life here. From the caribou grazing near the school, to the vendor's journey from town to town with his wares on his back, and a reminder along the way of how challenging these ever-shifting roads can be. The river is our North Star.
Yeah.
A Coke and a smile is not just refreshing. It's a moment of reconnection. As we settle, others wrap up their day, each carrying memories of the day on the long trek back to town. This is life in Bahi and the Philippines at its purest. No internet, no cell phone connections, just the sizzle of a roasting pig by the river's edge, simple outdoor cooking on the riverbank. Gin chilling in the cool river waters. And the ever-handy machete proving its worth. The river, it mirrors the rhythm of Bahi and the spirit of the Philippines. Joyous, soothing, warm embrace, and filled with the melody of shared moments. These young ones I look forward to seeing every year when we visit. With their infectious energy, they make every splash memorable. Ever have a spa day in the jungle and the river? These kids insisted, and they got to it. Rocks on my hands, rocks on my feet. My skin felt great after bathing in these refreshing waters and having fun splashing around with the kids in the river. This montage, it's not just photos. It's heartbeats and memories, captured flawlessly, a moment in time. As the day gives way, the journey back beckons as time has flown by. As the sun begins to dip, we had to make a choice of who would ride back. My feet kind of made the choice for me. I do not think I could have made it barefoot or with these flip-flops that are just way too small. The return ride, it's a meditative blur of sights and sounds. The wind in my hair, the jungle blurring past. This This is the raw beauty of the tropical jungle paradise that I find myself in. As I reflect, I realize how important it is to capture these moments, but also be in the moment. It's not just for the art of photography, but it's for the stories that they can tell and memories that they help preserve for time to come. Whether in a remote village or a bustling city, anywhere from Chicago to Manila on the other side of the world, or in these rural communities, I always have a camera at my ready. Because every snapshot, every footage, every photo made is a piece of a story waiting to be told, and memories for generations to come. So here's to family, connections, and the stories that bridge miles. Until our next adventure, thanks for joining me. Dive deeper into my journey of my current vacation with this video over here where I witnessed wooden Philippine fishing boats out on the open sea from a wooden fishing boat.